Hey guys, welcome to the Priorities 4-car garage. First up, we've got your master. Big master, massive ensuite, freestanding bathtub, and then coming through a whole bedroom worth of a walk-in robe. Coming through, you've got a double shower with rain shower heads instead, with a ledge. Come through, garage viewing windows. This is for a quad garage with hoist, so that will fit full patrols. Come through into a massive long hallway. Living and dining. And then main feature of the kitchen with waterfall ends, overhead cupboards, top drawers. This one on the point and like full set of this kitchen. Coming through to the scullery. Got your sink, dishwasher, laminate pantry and your laundry. Through. Now we'll get to the back section quickly. Bed 2, toilet and spare bathroom. And right there is bed 3, and the back section is bed 4, or whichever way you want to do it. That's it.